Good morning, students. Let us see one numerical on section of solids. So again, the question is, let us say there is a pentagonal pyramid whose base is 30 mm each side and the vertical axis is 65 mm long and has its base horizontal and an edge of the base parallel to the VP. A horizontal section plane cuts it at a distance of 25 mm above the base. Draw its front view and subsequent top view. So if you want to understand, this picture is enough to understand everything. So what they said, that there is a pentagon pyramid and each side is 20. Let us see each side how much, 30 mm. That means this side, each side is 30 mm and one side is horizontal. That means its base is horizontal. That means this base is simply resting on the horizontal plane. And what it said again, and also it has said that an edge of the base parallel to the VP. That means this edge is parallel to the vertical plane or the XY line. This is what is given. And also they have said that a horizontal section plane cuts it at a distance of 25 mm above the base. That means, say this plane is cutting the pyramid where it is cutting at a height of 25 mm above the base. So let us see how to draw. So this is a required diagram. Let us see how we have drawn this. So first of all, what you do? First of all, if you see from the top, you will get the exact figure. So first of all, draw this top view in this manner and give the name as A, B, C, D and E. After you have drawn the top view, you simply project it upwards like this. In the question it is said that this axis is 65 mm. So first of all, draw this axis at a distance of 65 mm and then you project A vertically upwards, you get this point, then C vertically upwards, you get this C dash, B, B dash, E, E dash and D as D dash. Okay, in this manner you got A dash, E dash, D dash, B dash and C dash. In this manner, this is the required front view that you got. You got this at first you got this top view and then you got this front view. All right. So what were the steps? First you draw this top view, then you draw the front view, and after that, in the question we said that above that 25 mm above the base, you have to cut it. So measure here 25 mm. Measure 25 mm here. This length is 25 and cut it like this. That is a vertical trace. And when you cut it, you mark the points as 1 dash, 5 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash and 3 dash. After you mark 1 dash, 5 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash and 3 dash, you simply again project it vertically downwards. 1 dash will meet at 1, 5 dash you like this, you draw, keep on drawing like this vertically downwards. All right. And then finally, after you project it, one step we have missed. That means we have forgot to draw this angle. Each angle you have to find out. This angle you find out and you divide this entire angle into equal parts. After you draw the angle in equal parts, you draw this straight lines. And when the straight lines will cut these vertical lines, those points you mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After you got this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you simply join these points and this the inner portion is your section of the this place where we have cut the section. Okay, thank you.